I'm back. I'm pissed off. I just finished recording the last video. I don't know why my score wasn't higher on this one. I thought I did better, and it wasn't. It was worse than the first time that I did. Wait, no. I was wrong the whole time. It is a better record. But still, it's not even a B. It's boo. It's balls. Boo shit is what I was going to say. Anyways, how's it going, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. We're back. Another episode of my friend Pedro. I'm redoing this fucking level again. I don't give a shit. I want a decent score on this level. We are going to run through this bitch as fast as physically possible. Well, in a similar fashion to the other times that I did it, I have fucking no health left. Okay, that was all one chain of attacks. Grab that health for sure. Whoa! I'm fucking dodging, dude! Fuck. Shoot! Okay, I think that I did better that time. I did do way better. But I died. I'm going to be going back a lot in this game and beating shit, like doing better on shit that I didn't do well on the first time. I think a lot of my kills are like basic bitch kills, I'm pretty sure. Like I'm just kind of point and shooting, which I know is not really the strat in this game. So I think that... yeah. Okay, wait. Easy, dude. That was fun as shit, I'm not gonna lie. I thought that's where I had to go. Shit. Wait, how the fuck do I get there? Ah. Oh, I just assumed that this button did the same thing, and it does not. Okay. Little waste of time. Jesus, that guy walked out the door and just got actually destroyed. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Go. Jump the fucking thing! Why are you being such an asshole about it? What? I feel like that could have been better. I could have gone way faster on that. You don't need very many points on this one. I can get an A on this. I can 100% get an A. I can get an A. I can get an A, guys. Guys, I can get an A. I promise I'll get an A. I don't promise. I promise nothing. Promises are not smart. Because I'm dog shit at this game. I wanted to see if I could do flips or something. I shot my fucking board. Fuck. I really wanted to chain that together. E! I want to press a button! I don't want to kick the fucking thing! You're shooting yourself, you idiot. Just... Thank you. Okay, that was a little faster. Did I die? No, I didn't die. Okay, we almost got an A. It's close enough to an A that I'm sticking with it. It's fine. It's fine, guys. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. Next level. This game is amazing, by the way. I need to state that one more time. Interesting job being a bounty hunter. I wonder if it normally comes with any decent dental benefit. Wait, I lost my thing on that? Wait a second. Fuck it, I give up. Get down! Oh. Oh my. Can you just jump that way? Why does he keep getting stuck on this fucking table? How do I destroy the table? Sir. Ugh. Jesus Christ, your face is just not attached anymore, sir. Alright, we're going back to these. Legendary. Fucking legendary. No, come back. Just let me get on it. Jump, please. Holy shit. Okay, 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 okay. We're gonna roll. Oh, that was glass. How? Do we want to go down here? No. What on earth? I am going the wrong way. Why is this happening? Jesus. That was something. See ya. Wait. Yeah. We're good. Roll your way to freedom. Go for it, my dude. I don't know what your name is. I keep thinking to call you Pedro. You know what? Fuck A ranks. Fuck all the other ranks. I'll get them once I'm done the game. This game is too fun to not just play and enjoy and get fucking pissed off at every level. So we're going to the next level. I hope you guys enjoy it. Words. You sounded the alarm? How dare you? Oh my god. That's what you get for sounding the alarm. You get fucked up. We're already almost out of fucking... Security seems tighter around here. You bet it does. Didn't even get the alarm off, you bitch. Unfreeze. How the fuck are you still alive? Jesus. I don't know who you are. No messages right now. You're shooting through your fucking teammates! No one is dying! sweet fucking Christ. Nobody wants to fucking die. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, we got it. We got this. We got this. We got this. Spin! Never stop spinning. Holy shit, I thought we were done on that one. Oh my. That got a little hectic. Come on, just give me a B, please. No alarms bonus? What? That seems so hard. Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to get good at this game. I promise I will get good at this game. I don't care if I have to play each level 1,000 times until I have them etched into my fabric fucking fibers of my memory. Fabric fibers? Not fabric. My brain's not made out of fabric. You know what? Why am I trying to think of the word? It doesn't fucking matter at this point. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I will get better. Promise I'll get better. Make sure you guys check me out on Twitch. Follow all my socials. Links will be down in the description. I love you all. Hope you have a great week and peace.